Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you how to transform and build your first Shopify store using AI. So we're going to be using a lot of AI to build your first Shopify store. And guys, I know it's really hard to build your first Shopify store if you never ever done that before that. But guys, I'm going to be holding your hand here today and I'm going to take you from A to Z. So we're going to be building a brand new Shopify store from scratch. Okay, I'm going to be opening a new Shopify account. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to claim your $1 a month promo for the next few months on your Shopify store, guys. We're gonna be using AI based theme, guys. This is gonna be a massive value packed guide on how to build your Shopify store using AI. We're gonna be building essentially a fake or imaginary fashion brand, and we're gonna design every single aspect of the theme and your Shopify store, so it's pretty much ready to be launched, guys. Okay, so don't worry, just strap in, grab your coffee, grab your drink, guys, and let's go. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open a brand new Shopify account. Okay, so I have a really good deal for you guys. It's a $1 a month for the next 3 months. It's a promo. So guys, there will be also a guide available in the video description below that you can download for free as a reference about everything we're going to be covering. Again, some details might be missing out, but you will have my email on the slide number 1. So with any questions or if you need help with your Shopify store or any AI tools, just shoot me an email and I'm going to get back to you and I'm going to help you out, guys. But if you are super excited right now to start your Shopify store as I'm doing it, guys, if you want to claim this same offer you guys see on my screen right here, all you got to do, you're just going to go to debutify.com, guys, okay? And here there is a announcement bar just right here on top of the header. Okay, just click on it and it's gonna take you to the offer and simply create an account and you're gonna claim this offer automatically, guys. So just to show you that I'm using exactly the same offer. So I'm on Debutify, I'm gonna refresh the screen. Okay, and I'm gonna click on start free trial, guys. And here it's the same screen. Okay, guys, so let's go and build our first Shopify store together using AI and a bunch of AI tools, guys. So I created a brand new account so we can create a brand new Shopify store altogether. So I'm gonna type in my email right here and I'm gonna click on start free trial. Cool. So the password will be something I can remember. Hold on, guys, let me just check. All right, yeah, that is good to go. Yeah, I don't care if Shopify says it's free, guys. I'm just doing it as a demo for y'all, guys. So let's create my Shopify account, guys. Let's go. Okay, essentially this is not really needed, guys. We can just skip it. No need for that. We'll skip it straight to business. Come on, Shopify, you're loading too slow. All right, perfect. So we're all set. Awesome. So as of now, I have a 3 days trial for Shopify without entering any card confirmation or whatsoever. But if you want to claim that $1 a month, all you're gonna do, you're just gonna click on select plan right here, and it's gonna take you to the billing and plans page. Okay. And here, just simply select the basic, which is basically $1 a month for the first 2 months. Well, actually, grow and advance, they're all our 3-month trial for $1 a month. But honestly, all you need to start, just go with a basic. So for the first 3 months, it's going to cost you only $1 a month. And then from there, it's going to be $37 a month. I believe in US dollars, it would be something like 39. I think the US and Canadian are different. So either 37 for Canadians or 39 for the US folks out there. But for the first 3 months, guys, the only thing you're gonna pay is $1 a month, guys. That's a crazy deal, guys. So go ahead and claim it if you can't wait and you want to start that trial immediately, guys. So go ahead and select your basic plan for $1 a month and go from there, guys. But for me, I'm not gonna do it because we're just gonna be doing everything today live, guys. So let's start building our Shopify store, guys. So to start with Shopify, guys, before everything, I need to set up a few things, okay? So the first one, I need to cover the payments, okay, for Shopify payments in a sense, because if you don't set up the payments, your customers will not be able to complete their checkout, okay? So the setup is pretty simple, and all it does is basically activates the Visa, MasterCard, Amex, and all the most common payment methods on your Shopify store. So all you gotta do, just click on continue account setup, and you will need to submit some details about yourself and about your business. Okay, so here you're gonna select if you are running your business as an individual or as a business or as a nonprofit. So in most cases, it's going to be individual, guys. So go ahead and choose individual, or if you have a registered business, choose a registered business, whatever is the case for you. So for me, I'm going to be an individual, and all you got to do, you're just going to enter your first name, last name, date of birth, okay, your job role, your email, your phone number, your business address, okay, and then you're going to click next, okay, and from there it's going to ask you some more informations about your business. I believe you need to enter like what kind of a business that is and what your business is all about. But essentially, it's a sort of a mission and value type of statement about your business, guys. So that's all you're gonna do. And once you're gonna click next, guys, you're gonna be able to activate your Shopify payments, guys. Okay, guys, next up, what we want to set up a custom domain, okay? This is really optional at the beginning because as you're building your brand, it's not really necessary that you have a custom domain immediately, but the thing is Shopify assigns you a this weird numbered and with these weird letters URL. So if we go and preview the Shopify store, let me just show you so you see what I mean. So if I go here and I click on preview, okay, you guys gonna see it's PMSWXF-S4 myshopify.com, okay? So I mean, it's a working domain, okay? There's no problem. You can even publish it like that. But once you're gonna be getting customers and orders on your Shopify store, you know, some customers might look at your URL and be like, huh, am I getting scammed? Like, what kind of a URL is this, you know? So people might question, not everybody knows what Shopify is all about. So if you want to fix that, you're going to go to settings and you're going to go to domains. Hold up, it's right here. I know, I'm not blind. It's right here. Yeah, there you go. So you're going to click on domains. And the easiest way, guys, to get a domain, especially as a beginner, is to Shopify directly, okay? So you're going to click on buy new domain, okay? And you're going to enter your domain name. I believe I created a fake or temporary brand name that I would use. I wanted to go with something like oneessentials.store, okay, because that store is cheaper than .com, and I like Essentials brand for the hoodies and sweatpants. So I said, you know, why don't I make something similar, and I call it oneessentials.store. Pretty original, right? So the domain is available. Amazing news. And it's only costing me $9 for the first year and $50 for the year after. It's still pretty cheap, especially for the first year, $9. It's pretty good. So all you guys are gonna do, you're gonna click on buy. You're gonna enter your card details, or if you already did when you were signing up for the $1 a month, 3-month promo. Okay, you're just gonna use the same card details, and it's gonna process your domain, guys. Okay, and the whole connection, all the boring DNS settings and CNAMEs, and if you guys even know what the hell that means, guys, all the technical jargon, you guys won't even touch a thing. Shopify will do entire setup for you guys, and you're gonna have your custom domain up and running in the next 5 minutes. So again, that's the easiest way to do it, guys. And I'm gonna give you an option number 2, which is a 100% free option with that store domain, guys. It's a special promo, guys, just for you guys. And let me show you how to claim that. Okay, guys, and to claim that offer, all we're gonna do, we're gonna go to Debutify.com. Okay, we're gonna go back to Debutify, and we will create an account, guys. And we're also gonna be using Debutify theme because it's a AI-powered theme, guys. So today's course is all about using as much AI as possible, guys, so we can maximize our Shopify store and make it super nice, super sharp, and super modern using AI tools out there, guys. So for that, we need to start with a AI-powered theme, and also we're gonna claim the .store domain for free, guys, for the first year through Debutify, guys. So to do that, all you're gonna do, you're gonna click on Start Free Trial right here. I'm gonna just sign out of my other account for testing, and I'm gonna create a brand new account that I created with my brand new email just for you guys. So oneessentials@gmail.com. Let's go. I'm gonna click continue, all good, and we are in, guys. Come on, guys. That was the fastest account creation I've ever experienced. So I'm gonna click on start for free, all right? And this is how easy it is to build a AI-powered store using the Debutify theme, guys. So all you gotta do, we're gonna choose a template and a layout. Okay, so I want to create a fashion. Yes, I do want to create a fashion store with, let's do clean layout. Okay, nice, I like that. Primary color, secondary and light color. Okay, guys, so just before I do that, I'm gonna go to ChatGPT and I'm gonna ask for some brand colors. Okay, guys, we're gonna start using AI immediately. So let's do that. Okay, first I'm gonna take a screenshot of these colors. Okay, like this. There you go. I'm gonna take that from my other screen. I'll bring it to ChatGPT, and I'm gonna say, please suggest better brand colors for my Shopify brand. Okay, for my Shopify. Did I say fashion? Yes. No, I didn't. So fashion from my fashion Shopify brand. Okay, there you go. And we are good to go. Let's generate that. Let's wait for GPT to generate those crazy colors for us. Okay, and it gives us fire emoji. So the colors are on fire, guys. Primary color, deep slate blue. Okay, I like that. I know the color it's giving me approximately. So I'll just paste that in right here. Hold up. Okay, I just had to change it to hex because it was on RGB and I was trying to break the thing. So I'm gonna just change to hex colors, and I'm gonna, okay, I need the hashtag. Why it's not copy pasting? Why I have to write it manually? Who does that? So copy. Oh my god, I have to read the whole thing. Hex. Okay. I genuinely have to type it in manually, guys. Wow. Okay, it's the first time I have to type something manually in months. I'm joking. So hex numbers. Okay, so it's 1A, 2A. Oh my god, 3. Okay, awesome, guys. I'm gonna put you in a pause. I'll enter all the hex numbers, so I don't bore you to death with this stuff. Hold on, guys. Give me a sec. Okay, awesome, guys. After 5 years, I finally entered all the hex numbers manually. So these are the colors, and it looks pretty fresh and clean, guys. I'll tell you that much. Homepage, we can even get the preview here. Homepage looks good. Product page looks nice and sharp, and full preview, guys. Let me see. Amazing, guys. I love this. So we'll go with that, and we just hit continue. Awesome, guys. So also, Debutify is offering a first month for only $1, guys. Okay, so it's a crazy good deal, guys, considering they offer 80 plus widgets, guys. And widgets are essentially, think of them as Shopify apps that you would usually purchase separately for your team, like newsletter pop-ups, sales countdowns, quantity breaks, buy one, get one, that type of stuff. Okay, usually you're gonna buy it separately on top of your Shopify team, and you're gonna have so many apps and you're gonna end up paying hundreds of dollars a month. So Shopify basically has its own ecosystem of widgets and all these apps, okay? And it comes with the theme based on your plan, guys. And don't worry, you can even use the free plan. The theme itself is free. It just, if you're gonna go with the free plan, you're not gonna have all these widgets. I believe you have 3 or 4. I think you get to have 3 free widgets on a free plan, but the theme itself, which is based on Shopify's Dawn theme, guys, and that's even more crazy because Dawn theme is the fastest and one of the best Shopify themes out there, and huge brands out there are using Dawn theme, and the Debutify's AI theme is based on the Dawn theme, guys. So imagine the power and the speed, because Dawn theme infused with AI, guys, crazy stuff, guys. You'll see it anyways. But for now, even for now, you don't really need to select anything. I can literally skip it. We're gonna have still 14 days trial without entering any credit card information whatsoever. So I'm just gonna skip this step, okay? So here is the important part, okay? So we need to link Debutify with the Shopify. It's super easy, okay? Remember, guys, we talked about a Shopify domains, the ones they assign you by default. So to get that, guys, you're just gonna go here to your Shopify admin. You're gonna click on preview, okay? And this is the URL we need, guys. So copy that, bring it to Debutify, and simply paste it here. Just the only detail, remove the HTTPS and all the dashes. You don't need that, and click on verify URL. And if it's all good, you're gonna have the green check mark, guys. And just like that, we are good to go. Okay, so API access tokens, you guys ignore that. You don't need to do that. So click on continue and proceed without custom app, guys. We don't need that. And guys, just like that, get your theme now. Okay, where it's going, nobody knows. I'm joking, guys. It's gonna go directly to your email account that you created your Debutify account with, guys. Okay, cool. So let's click continue. And guys, here is the cool part. Okay, here you can claim your free.store domain through Debutify, and all you gotta do, just enter your domain that you wanted to check if it's available. Same like we did with Shopify, for example. So in my case, it was oneessentials.store. I'm gonna click on search, and yes, my domain is available. I love that. But guys, I'm not gonna do it right now. In your case, you're gonna click on claim now, and it's gonna take you through some basic registration. You're gonna enter your name, your email, your password, and you're gonna create an account, and you're gonna activate a domain through Debutify's domain provider partner, guys. It's super easy. It's gonna take you less than 5 minutes, guys, and it's gonna guide you step by step on how to connect the domain. Again, guys, this is more technically advanced. You will need to enter some DNS and some CNAMEs, but Debutify and their partners for that store domain made it super easy. They're gonna tell you exactly step by step what to do and which steps to follow and how it's gonna work, guys. They're gonna hold your hand, so don't worry about it. Don't panic if you never heard about DNS or CNAME. Go ahead and claim that store domain. And as always, guys, if you need help with this, my email is on the first slide that you downloaded for free, just under the video description below. And my email is there, guys. Just shoot me an email. Ask me, hey, Arthur, I'm not really sure how to do this whole that sort of thing domain, guys. Can you help me out? And I will help you out, okay? Just shoot me that email. Let me know what you need help with, and I'm gonna help you out. So for me, I'm just gonna skip the step. I'm gonna skip the step as well. I don't need that, guys, and that's it. We are good to go. And guys, Debutify as well has a bunch of AI tools on their platform, on their team manager platform, guys. Just look at that. We have AI store builder, AI product titles and a description generator, a banners generator, AI blocks generator, AI background remover, and AI logo builder, guys. All of that comes with your Debutify theme to make your things on Express, to automate as much as possible, and so you can focus on building your brand, guys. Really, really cool to kickstart your stuff, guys. But today I want to show you also the tools outside the Debutify. But just keep a note in your head, guys, that you have all these AI crazy tools available on the Debutify Team Manager. Once you create an account with them, it's going to be just right here on the main dashboard, guys. So go create an account, play around with all these AI tools, and let me know your feedback, guys. I would love to hear that. Okay, guys, but in our case, we can close Debutify for now and head back to our Shopify store. Okay, and we're gonna add our theme. Okay, so we're gonna do it from here, import theme, upload. I think I clicked on the store. Nope, I wanted to upload the zip file. Okay, and that is the zip file that you're gonna receive from Debutify to your email account when you're gonna be generating your AI-powered theme that we did in our previous steps, guys. So that's the zip file you're gonna download, and that is the zip file you're gonna upload to your Shopify as a theme, and you're gonna click upload, and it's gonna simply upload the theme to your Shopify, just like that, guys. And again, guys, we're not just limited to Debutify. The only reason I'm using Debutify is because it is AI powered and it has a lot of AI cool features, okay? But you can also choose free themes from Shopify directly right here. Okay, so there's a Dawn, the ones that already installed right here. The other really popular that from Shopify is Refresh, okay, and also Craft if you're like into like jewelry. But Dawn is really one of their most popular. A lot of huge brands use Dawn. A lot of huge brands redesign Dawn to fit their business style and needs. But again, the base is Dawn. So guys, Dawn is really one of the best ones out there if you are going with Shopify. Free themes, definitely go with Dawn. It's so fast, guys. It's just insane, guys. Give it a try. If you're not using Debutify, go with the Dawn theme, and it's super easy to use, guys. give it a try. Okay, while waiting for the theme to be installed, I'll walk you through the Shopify in general. So this is the Shopify's main dashboard. Okay, we have the home, which is essentially, the home page of the Shopify. Nothing fancy here. Okay, here you're gonna have your orders. Okay, when you're gonna get your first order, it's gonna appear in here, guys. I believe in you. You can do that, guys. So once you're gonna get the order, it's gonna be right here. Okay, product is pretty. Products are products. Here we're gonna be adding our Shopify products. I'll show you later on how we do that. Collections, we're gonna be creating our collection pages through collections. Okay, in inventory, essentially inventory is an inventory, nothing really to say there much. Purchase orders, okay, we don't have any orders or purchases, so we don't have any, but once you're gonna get orders, you're gonna see purchase order history here. We have also a transfers, okay, this essentially you can move inventory between locations if you're holding inventory on hand or in your own, house, apartment, or warehouse, or 3PL, whatever the situation. Gift cards are gift cards. Customers are essentially every time customer places an order, a customer account is created, or if customer subscribes to your email newsletter, it also will appear under the customers. Okay, content. Content is essentially everything that has to do with files, with the menus, with the blog posts. So essentially, that is the content of your Shopify store. Okay, finance. You're gonna see essentially your payouts and everything finance related. Payouts. It's gonna be your payouts from Shopify. Analytics. That's a big one. Here you're gonna see. Here you're gonna see essentially all your Shopify metrics in one place. Okay, so you're gonna have the traffic, the revenue, traffic locations, devices, conversion funnel, how many sessions became at the carts, how many at the carts became checkouts, and how many checkouts became completed orders, guys. Sessions by locations, USA, Canada, Europe, all that stuff. Yeah, guys, so essentially it's your whole Shopify analytics thing is going to be happening on the analytics page on Shopify. Then you're going to have reports. Okay, you can essentially create your custom KPI reports that if you need any, like sessions by location, customer behavior, visitors and purchases, revenues. So essentially those are your reports. Okay, marketing. It's all marketing related. Okay, campaigns, email campaigns. Shopify does offer their own email marketing channel. I believe it's exactly called Shopify Email. So you're going to be able to create email marketing campaigns from here, automations. Also, essentially, when the customer places an order, send a welcome email to the customer, or send a thank you email to the customer once they receive an order with a discount for the second order. So essentially, that is automation. Discounts are discounts, guys. I'm sure everybody knows what are discounts. It's fairly easy to do it with Shopify. So you just create a discount, and that's essentially that. We have different type of discounts. We have automatic discounts, and we have static discounts. So let me just explain you amount of orders. That's essentially a discount that will discount amount of the product. Okay, buy X, get Y. Essentially, if the customer buys product X, they get product Y for free, or for a 50% discount, or for 20% discount, or whatever the setting you guys gonna do. Amount of order, essentially discount for the entire order, and free shipping essentially is a discount code to get free shipping during the checkout, or it can be conditionally. If these two products are in the cart, then make the shipping free, something like that, guys. So in a nutshell, those are the discounts. Okay, guys, hold on, I need some water. Okay, guys, that was a mouthful. Cool, guys, let's go back to online store and see if our theme is installed. Okay, so theme is there, amazing. What I didn't cover, pages are essentially Shopify pages, okay? Like contact us page, order tracking page, and essentially pages, guys. Okay, so not the same as product pages. Okay, product pages are created through a product, not the same thing. So don't confuse those. Pages are essentially contact us, or like any other basic pages. Not product pages, guys. Product pages have their own thing. They have their own mind, and they're going to be created through products. When you create product, it's going to create a product page automatically for each product. Okay. preferences. Those are your store preferences. I believe we have a page title or meta title for your Shopify store and meta description. We're going to cover those a bit later. Okay, we're going to be creating copy for this using AI as well. Guys, I think I gave you essentially an entire tour for Shopify basics. So let's dive in finally and start designing our store, guys. Okay, let's do that. So let's go back Shopify. So I want to first publish the Debutify theme as my main theme because right now there's a Dawn theme. So I'll do that. And again, guys, it's okay. Don't worry. Like, you can always republish your other theme. But in general, a good practice is when you are working on a theme. For example, if I'm working on this theme, always make a duplicate or a copy of that theme. So just in case if you break something in your theme or you do something you don't know how to reverse that, you have a clean backup theme that you can simply publish, okay? And that will fix your issues, guys. So if you're working with customizing your theme heavily, always make backups, guys. Super important. Okay, guys, let's do that. So let's go and start customizing our store. So to make things easier for you guys, I'm gonna essentially remove everything, okay? So I can add everything one by one and explain it to you what is what, guys. So let's do that, okay? So I'm gonna remove the announcement bar. We'll remove the scrolling banner. We're gonna remove the slideshow. Essentially, we're gonna clean the whole template out, okay? Okay, looks like guarantee is made as a mandatory block. I can't remove it. I can hide it, but whatever. I'll leave it there since I can't delete it. That is totally fine. But we pretty much cleaned out everything from the homepage, guys. So let's click save to make sure our changes are saved. Awesome. Okay, next up, what I need to do is, hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay, guys, so the first thing, what I would do, I'm gonna start with a slideshow, okay? That's the first thing customers see when they land in store. So I want to add a slideshow, guys. So I'm gonna just type in slideshow, okay? This is how you add sections and blocks in Shopify themes. So right now it's appearing below guarantee, which is not what I want. So to change that, I'm just gonna take it and drag it right up here. Okay, guys, just like that. Awesome. So this is looking good. Always save, because if your browser crashes and you don't save, it's gonna basically not save your changes and you're gonna start from scratch, guys. So great. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply build out a layout or structure for the homepage, and then we're gonna start adding images and all that cool stuff, guys. Okay, guys, so the next thing what I want, we have this slideshow, all right? And the next thing I want to show some collections, okay? So people can see right away what my store is all about. So I'm gonna go to add section, and I want to add a featured collection, guys. Okay, this is the one right here. It's gonna add it in a sec. There you go. And again, it's below the footer, below the guarantee. So I'll just drop it up right here. Amazing. And I'll click on save. Okay, so actually I'm gonna make some adjustments. So this is good, but I don't want it to be as the first one. I wanted to add another type of collection, which is called collection list, I believe. Is it? Yes. So I want to go with collection list, and I'm just going to swap it with the featured collection. So I first want to have a collections and then best sellers, guys. So let's do that, guys. So this is good. Heading, I want to change the heading though. I want to change the heading. Okay, it's under the title, so collections. I'm going to do something like top collections. Okay, and I want it to be in a center, not on the left side. Okay, guys, and to do that, we need to go under the title, and I believe it's going to be alignment. So no, we don't want to inherit the styling from the theme's default. So we want to do it on center. Amazing. So that is that. Same thing for best sellers. Okay, so where is it? The title. Okay, alignment is going to be also center, and I'm going to do something like best sellers. All right, so something like this, good to go. Great. Okay, so now I feel like we need to add another nice banner with a nice juicy CTA, because well, people land on the Shopify and they see a banner and there's some products. I don't want to bore people with products. Let's add some visual as well. So let's see what we have from banners. Double image banner. Okay, that's pretty much what I was thinking. And again, we're just gonna put it up here above the, did I put it in the wrong place, just above the guarantee. Okay, there you go, something like this. So let's hit save. So this is looking already nice and clean, guys. Let's take a look at the mobile. Yep, that looks pretty nice and juicy, guys. Let's move on. Awesome, guys. So now I feel we can add some testimonials, just to give it more life and dynamic feel. So let's do that. I'm just gonna go to testimonials and add this in right here. And again, I'll just drag it here above. Oh my God, where is it? Above the guarantee. Okay, there we go, guys. Awesome. So we'll just leave these as placeholders. That is totally fine. And what kind of a fashion brand you can be if you don't have an Instagram, guys? So let's add a Instagram block right here, Instagram feed. Let's pop that in and just drag it above the guarantee again. Guarantee, where are you? There you go, like this. I got this is looking good, guys. Nice job. Let's save that. And the last thing, I believe we should add FAQ. Okay, we can't have a homepage without a FAQ, guys. That's a must-have. So let's add that FAQ, and we'll drag it just above guarantee as well, because guarantee should be the very last one. Okay, so FAQ, awesome. We'll fill those in later on. So just a structure, I think we are good to go for the homepage, guys. Wow, awesome. So the homepage is looking good. Okay, nice and clean, guys. What can I say? Nice and clean. So now I want to start adding some banners and collections. But before I do the collections, guys, I need to add some products. So let's go back to admin, and we're gonna click on products, okay? And we're gonna add our first product, guys. Let's go. Okay, so let's name it something like, I actually created a whole brand new collection using ChatGPT, guys, okay? The whole images were created by ChatGPT. Okay, I think this is the our main banner. That's not what we are looking for. Also not the one I'm looking for, guys. Hold on, let me just find the right picture. Okay, guys, I found the pictures, but the thing is I forgot to resize them as squares, okay? Because square is really the best option for to see the image, looking nicely on the mobile and on a desktop. It's really the best format for Shopify stores to show the image as a square, just to really be safe, guys. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna upload all the images created by ChatGPT. ChatGPT is my plug and designer for my fashion pieces today, guys. So shout out to ChatGPT for that. So guys, let's do the resize part. All right, guys, so I dragged in all my images. Let me just quickly adjust those as well. So we'll just essentially zoom in until it fills the image, something like this, guys. So all we really need is essentially to see the hoodie piece, something like this. This will work just fine. We'll do the same thing right here. Okay, I'll just zoom it in, and all we need to see just the blazer and how it looks as a combo with other stuff. Same we're gonna do for this one. Okay, guys, let me just do it fast so I don't bore you with the stuff, but essentially this is how you resize pictures with Canva for Shopify store, guys. So let me just put you on pause and clean these up fast. All right, guys, awesome. So that took a while. So let's first start with the hoodie right here. Let me just drag that in right here. We're just gonna use one variant for now, just the black hoodie, because we're gonna be just building really a layout of the Shopify store and as a whole. We're not going to be focusing on adding a bunch of different variants and different sizes and all that stuff, guys. But essentially, you would repeat that for the other sizes and variations of the product. So in our case, let's start with a title, guys. Okay, so for the title, it should be somewhat SEO friendly, and the best thing for that is our friendly neighborhood ChatGPT, guys. So we're just gonna drag it in here, and I'm gonna ask, I need a SEO optimized product name and title for this hoodie, as well as product description, and we'll need also, let me see, and we need a meta description. Okay, and meta description. And it's important to ask the ChatGPT to don't sell the product. Okay, sell the story, and value. Okay, guys, why am I saying this? Is because when you are creating a product copy for your product, okay, usually the mistake is you're gonna go and start talking about the futures, and it's, I don't know, 100% cotton and it's organic. Like, people don't care about that. Okay, it's a secondary thing people care about. First thing that people care about is the story behind the product, especially for fashion, jewelry, because that is something I'm gonna wear, it's something you're gonna wear. So, for me, it's important what the brand is about and the values they carry. Okay, guys. So it's important that you always sell the story and the value of a brand first before the futures. Okay, futures come secondary. Okay, and we're gonna mention that, and mention futures as secondary. There you go. Let's give it a try. Awesome, guys. And just like that, product name, SEO optimized, everyday confidence hoodie, premium black sweater for men, pretty much everything we need. It has the type of the product, the gender, the color, and the premium. Okay, so we have all the keywords, really. Everything is good to go here. Hold on. Product name, that's good. And product title, I see. Okay. So this is the SEO optimized version of this one. So we're just gonna go with the SEO version. That's good. Product description. So this, we're just gonna take it in and bring it to description. Okay. And meta description is essentially a SEO description for Google search. Okay. Because if you don't do that, by default, it's essentially gonna bring in all the description of your product, and sometimes it can be lines and lines long. And Google only considers the first 140 characters on Google search. So that's why we need to work with Google and make sure it doesn't exceed 140 characters and it's SEO friendly, guys. So we're gonna hit save. And if you guys haven't heard about what is meta title and all that stuff, guys, I might be speaking too technical. Just go to Google and we'll type in hoodie for men. Okay. And essentially, guys, let me just find something that is not a paid ad. So Adidas, yeah, that's organic search. So this is, guys, is the meta title, which is essentially this part right here. Okay, it's this right here, and the meta description that is right here is essentially coming from right here. Okay, guys, so that's why it's important to make sure that we are packing the right SEO keywords, like the product type, hoodie, the color, within those 140 characters, guys. Okay, so that's kind of a short course on SEO, guys. We'll come back to that later on. So awesome, this is good to go. So the price, I will put something like 89. We know what? I'll put it at $99, guys, because why not? Charge tax on this product, sure, because I don't want to be paying taxes out of my pocket, so I'm going to be charging taxes, of course. And compare price, essentially, it's something that if you want to see compare price and actually the price of the product, let me see if I can show that to you guys quick. Some more actions, and we're gonna preview that. Okay, guys, let's preview that, and we're just gonna close this for now. So this is the price, and if you want to have a compare price, you're just gonna put compare price as if this was the, for example, $120 was the original price, but now it's 99. So $120 would be the compare price, guys. Okay, so we're not gonna do that. And it's also saying sold out, and sold out is because we didn't set any inventory, guys. So as an example, I'll put a inventory because because so it just removes that sold out. And I'll do, for example, I don't know, 20 pieces, and I'll click on save, and that should get rid of the sold out. Yeah, okay, cool, in stock, awesome. So there are a few options when you're dealing with products. Okay, the first one, you can hold the product on hand, meaning that you will be taking care of the packaging and the shipping directly to the customer. Or number two, you can use something like DSers or AutoDS. Those are essentially drop shipping platforms, and drop shipping essentially is when you place an order to a third-party supplier through AutoDS platform. So there is you, there is the AutoDS platform, and AutoDS platform is essentially connected to a bunch of different third-party suppliers. So you place an order, it goes to AutoDS. AutoDS places order with the supplier, and supplier ships the order directly to customer, and you never see the product in your life, and you just take the difference. Okay, but guys, drop shipping is a different topic, and we're not going to discuss that today. We're focusing on design parts of Shopify, guys. If you want to learn more about drop shipping, just head over to our Debutify YouTube channel, and we have a bunch of videos on drop shipping, and we will be dropping even more videos on drop shipping, guys. So make sure to subscribe and like so you guys catch up with the latest content, guys. So let's move on. So what other important parts we didn't cover? Cost per item, we don't really need to do that unless you know the cost for each item it costs you to manufacture. If you are dealing with manufacturers directly, so if it costs you $5 to make the hoodie, you're going to put it here. It just makes it easier and more visual to understand how much profit you are taking home. Okay, so that is essentially that, and it's going to give you the margin. For the tag, we don't really need to put any, but if you guys want, we can, for the tags, we can do like men's, you know what, we can just put it as men's. Okay, so it's going to be tag, and the type is going to be hoodie, just as a reference, and we'll just save that. Okay, guys, so the color is black. Fabric, we don't really need to put the meta fields, but if you want to, those are essentially meta fields you can use later on for your product page. Okay, so the gender, age group and all that stuff, you can create different meta fields, but Shopify's AI essentially generates basic ones for you automatically, guys. So as a beginner, you need to think about meta fields. They're not really useful yet for you at that stage. So this is good, guys. We have our first product added, guys. Let me just go back and kind of take a quick look at it. So this is good, except for the formatting. I'm not a huge fan of formatting. Those dots are absolutely criminal, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this entire thing and I'll bring it to another AI tool that is called Claude. Okay, so Claude AI is really good when it comes to designing stuff with the code. Okay, guys, don't worry, we're not gonna be doing coding or whatever. I'm just gonna show you how easy it is. It's really good at redesigning stuff with the code for the style for a Shopify. And guys, this is how easy it is. All we're gonna do, we're gonna ask, clean up the product description for my Shopify product right here. I need, okay guys, this is important part, okay? I need an HTML and CSS only, not an entire HTML page. Okay, guys? So these are the important parts. Otherwise, it's going to give you a entire HTML page for a website. Okay, so just whatever you prompt to AI, it's going to give you back. So the keywords are, you need a HTML and CSS only, not entire HTML page. And I made a typo here. Did I? Yeah, entire show. Okay, guys, cool. So let's and submit. Guys, I forgot the most important part. I forgot to copy paste the actual piece of content, guys. Oh my God. And it's like, share the content. I was like, I already shared the content. Like, what do you mean? And then I realized I didn't actually share the content, guys. Oh my God, big fail. So I'm going to share the content now with Claude AI, and let's give it a minute to do that, guys. What minute? 10 seconds, guys. Okay, guys, and we are done. Okay, we didn't need to hire any developers or coders or, graphic designers to do this. So it was all done by Claude, and seconds. So we're just gonna copy this whole content right here, okay? And we're gonna go back to your Shopify, okay? And we're gonna clean out all of this crazy mess right here. We don't need that. Guys, get rid of it immediately. And we'll copy paste the new content from Claude AI, guys. Okay, and we're gonna now save that. Amazing. So it looks good in the editor. Let me just take a look on the actual website. Amazing. So it cleaned up all the formatting and this looks nice and clean, guys. I love that. That's exactly what I needed, guys. So this is great. This is really, really good, guys. What else, guys? Let's go back to our Shopify product here. So this one is good to go. Okay. So we'll add another product for women's, just so we have two products. Okay. So that essentially is going to be a lot of copy pasting for the AI stuff. So we'll add another one. And I believe I had this. Okay, this is a men's as well. I need a women's. Okay, this is good to go. We'll go with that. Okay, now I need the same for this women's dress. Okay, and again, drag and drop this entire picture into ChatGPT, if I can, ChatGPT like this, and let's go. Let's give it a second. Okay, guys, and just like that, we have a whole setup for our product. So product name, SEO optimized, we need this one right here. We'll just paste that in here. For the description, we'll for now paste it as well here. Meta description, same thing. We're just gonna paste it right in here. Okay, guys, we'll just clean out this whole mess and give this nice and crisp meta description, guys. And yes, we need the image, guys. The most important part. Let me just drag that here. There you go. And it is dress, okay? And the tag is gonna be women's, okay? So the tags are really useful when you're gonna start filtering products on through the search options or to the collection filters and stuff like that. So the tags will come in handy in those cases, guys. More for categorizing and making things clean and easy for customers if they need to find specific a category of products like dresses or men's or women's. So it's easier to look for that through collections and just filter it out, guys. So, but in our case, we're not gonna do that. So we are good to go. We're gonna just click save. And the same thing here. It's gonna be the same thing for the description in terms of the style. So we'll just copy paste this one and bring it to Claude, and we're gonna say, do the same for this product. Okay, and let's give it a couple of seconds. It's gonna do its thing. While it's doing that, we're just gonna fill out the prices. Okay, so the women's fashion is by standard more expensive, so I'll put it at 120. Well, this dress looks like a good quality one. I can easily go for 170, guys. Okay, cost per item, I don't need that. On hand, I have 20 units. I'm gonna save that right here. And I don't need any of that, guys. Okay, so this is good. This is good. So let me go back to Claude and grab our new product description. Just click right here to open the HTML view, guys. We're gonna remove all of this crazy mess as always and just hit save, guys. Yes, guys, congrats. If you're doing the same thing side by side, if you're watching this video and following these steps, guys, congrats. You are learning tons of stuff right here, guys, like massive knowledge, guys. Congrats. So this is good to go. Let's click on preview. Okay, and yep, amazing. Just like that, we have our first two products. Let's go to our homepage. I don't think there's anything yet because we haven't assigned any products. So guys, now we have two products. We can move on and start where we left off for the homepage customization, guys. Let's do that. So again, main dashboard, click customize. Let's close Cloud so it doesn't eat my RAM. So top collections. You know what, guys? Let's do everything one by one. Let's keep it organized because why not? So for the collections, I have some images pre-selected that I've generated with ChatGPT. So let me just go back to Canva and select them and download them. All right, guys, so these are all generated by ChatGPT. Can you imagine, guys? Like, they look so good. It's crazy. I can't believe this is generated by ChatGPT. So I don't need this. Is from my other project. I can remove that. So ChatGPT usually generates really high resolution images. So we can easily stretch that out and do something like this, guy. So let me just take a quick look at the banner, how we can place the CTAs, guys, okay? Because right now it might be overlapping. So if these guys are more closer to, let's say, left side, can we do that? Can we do that? So if you guys are right here, if you guys are right here, then the CTA should be on the right side. Okay, something like that. So let's do that. Okay, so I'm gonna choose the slide block right here, and I believe it's gonna be box alignment, and I want it to be on the bottom right. Yes, there you go, guys. This is exactly what I needed, guys. And yes, this is good to go. Let me check the other one, just to make sure we're kind of keeping the same styling. Okay, I just saw it, guys. Okay, it's right here. So slide number 2, we'll do the same thing. Box alignment, bottom right, like this. So now these guys are on the right side. That's exactly what I need. And this guy should be closer on the right side as well. Something like this. Okay, yeah, that works. Okay, guys, so let's download the 2 banners. Okay, I'll just name it like banner 1 and banner 2. Let me just pull these. I want it to be JPEG, 100%, 80% is fine. And download. Awesome, guys, that's good to go. So let's go back to our Shopify and add those images. All right, so slide number 1, image for our desktop. I believe I added here, so banner 1. Let's do the first slide. Okay, awesome. And yeah, guys, that actually worked out exactly as I thought it would. And we'll just add slide number 2. Okay, same thing, banner number 2, and done, just like that. Let me just double check that. Okay, perfect, guys. This is looking good. This is looking really, really good. Okay, let's take care of those CTAs. Guys, because I'm such a lazy bastard, I'm just gonna take the screenshot of this, okay? And I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to create a copy for us, okay? Need a copy for this block, okay? Because it already has a context about all the products we uploaded and SEO stuff, so it will know exactly what I'm talking about. That's kind of a cool thing about AI's context for ChatGPT. Okay, made to mean more. I love that, guys. I wouldn't be able to say that better than ChatGPT. Why is it adding? Oh, okay. ChatGPT is adding its own colors. So let's strip that away. All right. And then the description, guys. Again, I need to strip that away. So I'll just paste in a browser and then back into my clipboard. And just like that, guys. Awesome. I love that. So for the CTAs, no need to overcomplicate that, okay, guys? So the first one, it will be shop men's, and the second one is going to be shop women's, okay? Guys, let's go. Let's do it cooler, okay? For him, this is better. Otherwise, it sounds like I'm selling something for your grandfather and grandmother. For him and for her. Okay, and there you go. For him, for her. This is looking better. Amazing. Okay, so I need another copy. So I'll ask. I need another variant. Okay, just because. Why we need to do anything ourselves? Like if HHT can do everything for us, right, guys? So this is slide number 1. Let's do slide number 2. So first one, we got the slide name, where what matters. Again, I need to strip down the formatting from ChatGPT. I'll paste it here. I want to see the slide number 2. Okay, that works. Same thing here. And for the description, Gonna bring here, okay guys, like that. Okay, awesome. And for CTAs, again, we're gonna do the same thing because for him and for her, if I can see it. Guys, help me out. Where is the button number? Okay, here it is for her. There you go. And let's save that. Awesome, guys. Let's just refresh this. And I want to see how that looks on mobile, guys. Because when you're doing stuff on Shopify, make sure you always switch between mobile and desktop to make sure there aren't any big differences. So mobile looks honestly really good. And second one also looks really good, guys. All the important parts of the like we see the blazer, we see the t-shirt, and we see the face, and same here, we see the fabrics. Everything is looking good, guys. So we're good to go for the slideshow, guys. If you guys want, you can always assign links to collections or the pages, guys. We haven't created any collections yet. We're going to be doing that in the next step. So here, essentially, in the link, it's going to be a link that's going to be linking the button to either a page or the collection. Most commonly, it's either a product or a collection. Okay, guys. So the buttons should be linked to a product or to a collection. Okay, guys. So let's go first and create our first collection, guys. Let's go and create our first collection. So to do that, you're going to go back to Shopify. You're going to click on products and then collections. Okay, guys. We don't need this. I don't need that. Okay, guys. I can just remove that. Can I? Shopify, can I delete that? Yes. Okay, awesome. So now I need to create a collection. So to do that, click on create collection and we'll name it something like men's. Okay, oh no, for him. Sorry guys. I'm trying to be modern here. So for him, and we're gonna add the products, everyday hoodie, awesome. And we're gonna click save. So guys, that's how you created a collection, okay? So in depth, what I would do, I would add a description because that will be accounted for your SEO. So collections play a big part for your SEO when you launch a Shopify store because you can add a lot of valuable content that people are searching for. So you can add a lot of important keywords in your description in your collection, guys. Okay, guys. So just an example, I'll go to ChatGPT and I'm gonna ask create a keyword rich SEO description for our men's collection page. Okay, so let's do that. Cool. So we can actually take this part right here for him, and I'll add here streetwear, minimalist fashion, and everyday essentials. That works. I just need to make sure I'm doing the right with the dashes. Yeah, like this. And this is the SEO optimized description, guys. So here we have the keywords that we need for this collection. And yes, I need meta too. Okay, so meta description as well for this product, guys. So let's go back to ChatGPT and grab the meta description right here. And move it into the meta description box right here. Okay. Yep. Good. And we're gonna click on save. Okay. For the image, I'll just essentially do the same image. Okay. Because I'm just showing you guys how to do the basics and the layouts and how to design your Shopify as a whole. It will obviously make it more personal and do as you need for your Shopify store, guys. So this is good to go. I'm just gonna click on save. So now we have a men's collection, and while we save that, we're not gonna waste any time. And now I need the same for women's. Okay. Let's go back to our collection and create collection. While it's doing its thing, we're gonna add the image. We'll add the product. Okay, and women's collection is ready. Just the only thing I'll do here for her dash, and I want this is good for SEO, guys, right here, and this part right here, I'll bring it in. And also I need the meta description, guys, right here. How good it is. I don't even need to ask ChatGPT second time. It already knows the whole business. He is my assistant, guys, one-on-one, guys. So let's paste that in right here and hit that save button, guys. Let's go. Guys, you just created your first 2 collections for men and women, did some slideshow designs for Shopify store, guys. We are doing amazing, guys. I hope you are keeping up, guys. If you're just watching this right now, guys, we are building a Shopify store from A to Z for beginners, guys. And there is a guide available as a free download just in the description below as a reference. And there is my email on side number 1. If you guys need help with building your Shopify store, reach out to me directly and I'm gonna help you out, guys. So let's continue. Okay, so we created our first 2 collections. We are good to go to move that into our theme customizer, guys. Let's go. All right, the next thing I need is I need to move it in here, guys. So collection list, and I need to, hold on, collection list. Am I on the right space? Yes, it's under the blocks, guys. I had a brief blackout right there. So under the collections, collection image, guys. So I'll select this one right here. And I'll do the same thing, guys, for him. I'm not gonna go crazy on copy, okay? For him, and collection is gonna go to for him, okay? Just like that. Collection for her, and collection is gonna go to for her. And the image is gonna be the dress, guys. That's it. We are recycling everything. So now I see it's not aligned in the center. It's not what I want. Okay, guys, fail. My UX has failed, guys. I'm sorry. So what I want, I'm gonna go to collection list, and I believe I need to adjust the number of columns as 2. Okay, guys, boom. Come on, guys, this is amazing. Look at this, we are doing great. Okay, guys, there's a little bit of spacing on the sides. I want to keep it kind of like this slideshow, okay? Because all the modern websites these days, they are taking the full space of the screen. And it's super easy to do it. Just under the container size, I'm going to click on full. And here, guys, we go. We have a container taking the full width of the screen, guys. Looks much cleaner, guys. Awesome, guys. So this is good to go. Let's move on to best sellers. Essentially, there's going to be the same products, guys, because the focus is not really on, adding budget products, because products work the same way like you did the first product. The only difference is going to be the price, description, and small details, but the whole logic for adding the product is going to be always the same thing over and over again, guys. So for future collection, yes. So future collection, guys, let's do that. So I want to select as for her, and we have only 1 product, and look, it looks so sad, guys, but it is what it is. It would definitely look much nicer if we would have, let's say, 4 or 3 products in here. Guys, let's do it fast, guys. Let's go. Let me go ahead and add some more product just so we can fill in the space here. Okay, guys, give me a moment. Okay, guys, after 2.5 years, I've added 2 more products. I'm joking, guys. So I added a couple more products for women's. So we just kind of can fill out that space a little bit. Women's collection, let's go back to that. I believe we need to re-trigger it. So I'm going to remove it. I'm going to save it. Oh, no. No. I forgot to add it to actual collection, guys. Okay. I had a brain freeze there. So we need to go to collections for her. And we need to add these products as well. So which are these and these. There you go. Awesome. So we'll do that. It got saved. So let's go back to online store. Click customize right here. Okay, guys. And now I need, hold on, guys. Now I need to go again back to best sellers. Okay. Best sellers, guys. Where is it? Okay, future collection, not best sellers. My bad. And I'm gonna choose for her. Okay, awesome. This is exactly what I needed. So, and I just spread it out across the page. First of all, I'm gonna set it at full. And second of all, I want to show 3 products, okay? And 3 columns max per desktop. There you go, guys. And we are good to go, guys. Awesome. Okay, guys, next up, I want to add this nice banner right here. So for that, I only want one image though. Okay, yeah, one image is good to go. So I've we essentially can recycle the same banner. Okay, guys, we're not gonna go crazy on creating different banners. We'll just pick these guys right here, and this is just totally fine. And honestly, I'm very lazy with writing copies in general. Um, Although I come from 5 years of marketing experience, since ChatGPT came out, I've been writing not too much of copies. Secret, guys, don't tell anybody. But I'll bring it here, and I'm gonna say I need a copy for this too. Again, ChatGPT. I'm using ChatGPT now on an extremely basic level, guys. You can actually create very, very strong copies and a lot of strong copywriting with ChatGPT. I'm just really using it on an autopilot express mode because I'm really focusing on mainly on, building out the layout and design of Shopify store, guys. But if you want to get a full masterclass on ChatGPT and how to use it to the max, let me know down in the comments, guys, and I'm going to create a dedicated ChatGPT masterclass for Shopify edition, guys. So go ahead, let me know, guys, if you want me to do that, and I'll do it for free, guys, same as this guy right here, guys. So again, let's go ahead and continue with the copy for that image. Welcome partners. No, for my fashion brand, bro. So yeah, sometimes it forgets the context. Okay, that works. Welcome Star Insiders. So that could be good if we have a loyalty program. Okay, so it's a good CTA for a loyalty program. Essentially, you can invite people to join a loyalty program, and you can offer maybe if they sell your product through affiliate links and stuff like that, they get a discount or a free product. Anyways, affiliate marketing is a whole entire topic, guys. But just as an example, this will work for our CTAs. And we're just gonna go here. Where is the description, guys? Okay, welcome. I want it to be all capitals, so it looks nice and clean, guys. Okay, this is good. What's the second CTA? Partner us for curated drops. Yeah, I like this one. This is nice. Nice and clean. Let's delete this, and the CTA is going to be Explore. Yeah, that's fine, guys. So I'll do that. So if you would have a loyalty program, you would link this button to a loyalty program page from where people would sign up, for example. In our case, we're just focusing on the design. But guys, if you want to link any buttons, the Debutify theme is so simple to do that. So each section, each block is separated in a very, very modular way. So as you can see, you have the main section, okay, that handles main logic. You have the CTA block, which is right here. You have the description block, which is right here. And if you want to add links to a button, it literally says single button. You're gonna click on the button block, and you're gonna link where the button goes, guys. Come on, it doesn't get simpler than this, guys. Okay, so I'm happy with this. For testimonials, I'm not gonna spend too much time on this. It's just really for you to see the vision, guys. So it's really important to add testimonials if you have any. If you are a new Shopify brand owner and you don't have any, it's okay. Just take your product, send it to your friends, okay, and tell them to wear your product or your whatever you're selling, or try your product, and leave their genuine, review on your website. Either it's good or bad. I don't know how good a relationship you have with your friends. It will depend on that. But again, it's still a real, genuine review, guys. So you don't need to necessarily make a first sale. Send it to your friends or family. Ask them to try the product for free, and ask them to leave a review or send a review to you. And you're gonna just add it to your website yourself, guys. So no need to complicate things. Sometimes things that are complicated are actually very simple. Okay, guys, I'm fairly happy with this. For Instagram, Instagram is working a little bit differently here. Okay, so we are not actually pulling any data from Instagram. These are essentially Instagram placeholders. So essentially, you're gonna add pictures from your actual Instagram through these blocks right here. Okay, so you're gonna select the block and you're gonna add an image. So I'll just add, for example, this one, and I'll add, this one, and I'll also add maybe this guy right here, okay? My bro is going on the Instagram, and we're just gonna click save, okay? And we're gonna remove the remaining blocks because we don't have that many pictures to add. Just to keep things clean and simple, let me just remove these, and also you can see how easy it is to remove things from the theme, and you can drag and drop everything. Super easy, guys, like anybody can do it. So this is good. Let me just number of columns. Okay, yeah, I need to put this to 3 so it's all centered. Okay, awesome, guys, this is beautiful. And I'll just save that. Hey guys, if you actually want to link your Instagram, okay, all you gotta do, you see here on the title block, okay, from our Instagram, you're just gonna click on the text and click on this hyperlink right here, and you're gonna simply enter your Instagram URL, guys. So every time somebody clicks on from our Instagram, or to make it more, clear that it's a link, you can do something like follow us on Instagram, okay, guys, and something like that, and it's gonna be a link, and then people are more, it's more clear that it's a link, and people are gonna click on it, and it's gonna open a Instagram on their phone, and they can follow you from there, guys. Okay. FAQs, we're not going to be filling out FAQs, guys, but just really to give you a very, very short breakdown about FAQs. So in FAQs, you're going to add frequently asked questions, because that's what FAQ is really. For example, like how long does your shipping take, or where does your product come from, what's your return policy, like the most frequently asked questions that you would have when you are buying something from online fashion store. Okay, so what do you want to know? Can I return this if it doesn't fit me? Okay, what's your return policy? What's your refund policy? Okay, these are the questions you wanna know answers to when you're ordering something from a online fashion store. And essentially, that's what the FAQ is. And also, if you want, you can add in some mission value, maybe a bit of brand story, about your product, also in FAQ, if it's unique and if you want to tell that to customer, essentially. But usually FAQ is for frequently asked questions that your customers would have when ordering from you guys. So for guarantees, it's just really a good thing to have, to highlight the top features of your Shopify store, which usually is free shipping, free returns, and what kind of a customer support you have. Is it 24/7? Is it live chat? Is it phone call? And basically unique features of your Shopify store. Okay, guys, stuff like that, guys. So pretty simple here. I'll leave this as is. Let's move on. I believe we forgot to add our logo, guys. How can we have a fashion store without a logo? So, guys, let's head over to Luca, and Luca is essentially a PR brand kit type of AI platform. Okay, so Luca.com. It's free to start. So let's sign up. I'm gonna sign up with my brand new email that I just created for this store, guys. So it is, I forgot it already, guys. My terrible memory fails me. So my name is Arthur. And can you guys see my password? No, you can. Haha. So I'll enter password that I will probably forget. I'm gonna click sign up. And what I want is generate more logo designs. Wow, I just created a new account. How come it's pulling my old account? Okay, never mind. I don't know why it does that. So I'll just go ahead and type in my brand. Okay, for the colors, it's fine. I just need to change the niche. Okay, and our niche is going to be fashion and fashion clothes. Okay, cool. So this is good to go. Okay, not impressed, not impressed, not impressed. I'm not impressed, guys. I'm not impressed by these whatsoever. Okay, guys, you know what? This is a good AI tool for PR in general, but it does not fit my fashion brand needs, guys. So I'm gonna use it the old school way. I'm gonna use Canva. So I'm gonna go to Canva and I'm gonna choose a logo template preset, and essentially that's all I need, guys. And I'm gonna go and look for fashion, maybe clothing, that would be closer. Clothing brand logo. Yep. So I'm looking for something inspired by essentials. If you guys know essentials, you know what I'm talking about. If not, I'm talking about these guys, essentials. I think they're, yeah, it's very clean. Okay, so it's mostly text. Let's see. They try to do Zara, guys. Can you believe that? Look at that. What a copycats. So I need a clean font for a logo. No, no, no. Well, maybe as an option, I'll just put it in here. Because what about if we do something like this? Yeah, I have an idea, guys. I have a good idea, guys. So I'll put number 1. I'll make it bigger. Let's see what the font is. It's font 30. So we'll match that as well. And I want to make it black color, same as this one. Is it? Okay, it's different blacks. So let me adjust that here. Okay. And I'm going to make it bold. Okay. Just to kind of, oh, it needs to be 30, right? Because we're matching the main font here. So let's make sure it's centered. Awesome. So 1. Essentials, guys, look at that, clean and sharp. And I'll just do the text as well, the same color, which is this, and also this here, right here. Okay, cool, guys. I'm not saying we're copying anybody. I'm not saying it looks like something, um, but yeah, guys, we are essentially good. Okay, I'm not copying essentials. My brand is called One Essentials, not the same thing. The only thing I'm seeing, actually, I'm gonna remove these background blocks, okay? And because I want something maybe even simpler, guys. Just, this will work totally fine. I'll center it. Are we actually centered? You know what? Let's make this thing bigger, like this. And we need to make sure we are in the middle. Ah, my OCD is kicking in, guys. Is it middle? Yeah, it's middle. So, yeah, I guess. Anyways, guys, I don't know if it's good or bad. I'm not gonna focus too much on the logo. Okay, I'm just gonna pull this as a sample. I'll type in logo, and it has to be PNG and transparent. I'll make it a bit bigger for high quality. Okay, I'm gonna go to Shopify and we're gonna add our logo here from the theme settings. Okay, just type in tap on logo and we're gonna upload it now. Downloads, logo, boom, just like that, guys. Things are going so smoothly. It's unbelievable. We click on done. Guys, our logo will appear here and actually looks way better than expected, guys. Awesome. So this is great, guys. This is great. I love it. We'll do the same for Favicon. Essentially, Favicon, guys, it's when you go to Google. Okay, so Favicon is this one right here on the tab on the left side, this little icon. That's called Favicon. So we added that. We're gonna save it and let's just make sure it's actually working. Click on View, and yes, you can't really see, it's black and dark. So I would probably design, if it would be an actual fashion store, I would redesign Favicon to have a light background and put the text on that, so we can see it on the tab as well for simply better branding. I'm also noticing we don't have a Shopify stores title and meta title. Criminal, guys. Criminal mistake from my side. So for that, we're gonna go to preferences, okay? And guys, ChatGPT, hello. I need to create as well meta title and meta description for what is it called, guys? I just had a whole blackout. For homepage. Okay, homepage. Homepage. My brand name is One Essentials. There you go. Okay, cool, guys. Let's give it a sec for modern living. That is good. Let's plug that in. And same for meta description, guys. Good to go. So we'll save that, guys. Let me refresh, and here you go, guys. We are back in business. Nice, congrats. So social sharing image and SEO, we don't really need that. Essentially, this image right here is when you're going to be sharing your Shopify website through a social link. You know, guys, there is an image that gets that you see as a preview, guys. So essentially, that is the image. I don't know if I can show it to you guys. Let me just go to meta tags.io. Yeah, so this is a website if you want to preview your meta tags to see if they're working. So let me show you how that looks, guys. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna delete the that one, and I'm gonna parse the data, guys. The Debutify looks like we actually don't have it, guys. That is not good. I'll need to flag that. No worries. So Facebook, I'm sure Facebook has it, guys. So I'll take the Facebook. I'll parse the metadata. Guys, even Facebook doesn't have the metadata image. That's weird. But anyways, guys, so essentially this image right here would be appearing right here for social media shares. You know what I mean? You know, not something really important. It's more of a small detail down the road. So don't forget about it. Well, I mean, I can just add whatever we created as assets for our banners. Okay, recommended 1200 by 6. Okay, guys, let's do it fast. Let's do it. So I'll choose our brand logo. It's just what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna resize it, guys. I'm gonna click on resize, and I'm gonna click on custom size, and we're gonna use the suggested size by Shopify, which is 1200. 1200 by 628. Okay, this is the one. 628 pixels, and copy and resize. Okay, we're gonna make a copy. Don't resize the original, guys. So open that up, and guys, we have it. So, and this one's gonna be called a social sharing SEO. We just name it, and we're gonna download it. Download it as PNG. Does have any requirements? It does not, but just in case, transparent background, just to be nice. And let's download that. We have it here, and let's pull it in here, and boom, guys, we have our a social sharing image, guys. Good to go, guys. Let's save that. Awesome. We are good to go here. Let's preview our homepage fast to see how we are doing, guys. This is looking nice and clean for a fake imaginary fashion brand, guys. Let's just open up like any. The first thing comes to my mind as Monaco Club. Okay, I have a few things from them. It's okay. It's a good quality, and it looks like this, guys. Okay, you know, again, this is a multi-million-dollar fashion brand, guys. I believe it's under Zara. Could be. I don't know. Anyways, it's a really huge brand. And it's looking like this. And I mean, we're not that far considering we have only 4-5 products, guys. We're not that far, guys. So that's what I'm telling you, guys. With only what we are here 2 hours now, in 2 hours, we built a full Shopify store, you know, that's looking very, very close to $1 million brand out there, guys. Come on. I know I'm exaggerating. It's not super close, but it's close enough, guys. Come on, guys. For 2 hours of work, this is a pretty damn good design, guys. So the other thing I'm seeing on the homepage, well, homepage is good. Honestly, I don't have any complaints for homepage. Let me just go back and customize. I want to see something fast for the footer. Okay, guys. For the footer, what do we have here? Blocks. I think I need to adjust this a little bit. Yeah. No. Hey guys, I wanted to remove the powered by Debutify. We don't need that. We can just simply disable that and save. Okay. Okay, guys, we're good to go for the footer there. Nothing to be changed there, guys. Okay, let's move on to our product page. Okay, this is our product page. It's looking good. So here we can fill in the materials. So for that, we're just gonna scroll down to, let me just find it, guys. Give me a sec. So it's gonna be under the collapsible rose black, guys. So we're just gonna hit that and type it in, guys. So materials, I'll just put some placeholder values, but in your case, you will enter whatever is going to be for your product. In my case, 100% organic cotton. Okay. For shipping, 3-day free returns, 30-day free returns. Okay. Free shipping on orders. I don't know, on orders over I don't know, $50, guys, or whatever. This is good to go for shipping as an example, guys. But again, you enter there your actual real values. Okay. For the dimensions, I'll put something like C size chart, whatever. Again, you guys can put in whatever you want. It's really, this is all changeable. These are just literally, placeholder values, and I'm showing you the overall layout. But dimensions can become, size chart. But again, we have a size chart widget dedicated for that. But as you can see, the values are changing dynamically. Again, guys, so if I change it back to dimensions, it's going to go back to dimensions. For the care instructions, machine wash, cold, okay, and dry on a low heat. This is good enough as a demo. And guys, let's just review our product page as a whole. So what do we have? We have add to cart, we have dynamic checkout buttons, which are enabled by default. As soon as you guys enable all the Shopify payments, you're gonna have all these buttons here available, guys, in stock. This is great, guys. Bundles, it's a really, really cool feature to have because it's encouraging people to buy more products at a discount, guys. So here, for example, let's actually do that, guys. So you can see how discounts are created as well, guys. So first I need to see the upsell bundle. Do we have a discounts? We don't have discounts. So let me just open a copy of our Shopify admin, and I'm gonna go backwards. I'll go to discounts. Okay, we guys gonna create a first discount right here. So I create a discount, and I'll do amount. Let me see. It would make sense to do amount of order. Okay, order discount. Yeah, that makes sense. And we'll do something like minimum quantity of products. Well, we don't need that because we are assigning that specifically to, actually, yeah, we should, just in case. If people want to take the discount code and abuse it, we'll set it to 3. It's right here. All customers, and limit number of times this discount can be used in total, no, but we're going to do a limit to 1 customer. Okay, so if you don't check mark this, customer can use the same discount over and over and over again infinitely, guys. Bad news. And for discount, always enter something as simple. Don't put any weird values because it might not work. Always enter very clean letters, numbers all together, no spaces. So I'll do 20% discount, Debutify 20, and percentage is going to be 20%. So I'll just copy the discount code. I'll save this one here. So discount code is now live. Let me just double check that. Yes, it's live, it's active here. So we'll go back to Shopify now. And in the discount coupon code, I'll enter exactly the same one. Make sure there's no space or anything, otherwise it's not gonna work. It has to match 100% with the Shopify discount, guys. Discount value is a 20%, guys. It has to match 1-to-1. Awesome. I'll hit save. And guys, here the cool part, it's giving you the total price before 520. After 20%, it's 416, and you are saving $104, guys. And if we add that to cart, we should see the discount. Let me just go and check. Okay, I haven't enabled my Shopify payments, guys. Oh no, my checkout is broken. It's all right, guys. Let me just close it and go backwards and customize. So again, guys, if you don't activate your Shopify payments, that's going to be the exact issue you're going to face. Okay, if you will want to actually test out the checkout flow, it's going to say, hey, you can't do it because Shopify payments isn't activated, guys. And if you forget how to do that, again, go to Shopify admin, click settings, go to payments, and then click on complete account setup or activate Shopify payments. Fill out the personal information, business information, your phone number, date of birth, and all that stuff. and Shopify payments will be activated and your checkout will work, guys. Okay, guys, let's go back to our product page. Okay, so we were creating a bundle discounts. As I was saying, guys, so did it just disappear? Huh? Okay, guys, so it didn't disappear just because I already had these items added in the cart. So obviously it's not gonna offer me the same product, which is pretty smart. So if I'm adding these products as a bundle, obviously it's not gonna show up for me again if I refresh the page, because why would I add the same products in my cart, guys? Okay, guys, pretty smart logic. I like that. So I'll remove that so we can see the bundle again, and I'll refresh the page, guys. Cool, guys. So essentially that's what the upsell bundles does. You can bundle up products, plug in a Shopify discount, and customer can buy 3 products instead of 1 for a discounted price, but you guys are still making some money, and customer is also happy because they are getting a discount for a bulk order, guys. So win-win situation, guys. Everybody's happy. Awesome, guys. So that's kind of what the summary of upselling and bundling products for a Shopify discount and how to create a Shopify discount, guys. So here it's also essentially the same thing. It's just kind of the same thing on the section side. So here we have upsell bundle on the product template side and also on the product section side, guys. And we also have you may also like. Okay, so this is usually recommendation by Shopify. This is fully handled by Shopify. It's gonna offer products based on what it thinks you might like and based on your browsing history throughout this Shopify website, okay? And it's gonna do recommendations based on that, guys. So pretty cool feature. I do highly recommend. And recently viewed products are essentially products that you have viewed recently, and it's gonna show you the products you just looked at, okay? It's pretty cool as a reminder and good for your conversion rates in general. Okay, let's just clean it up a little bit since we have bundles here. We don't necessarily need to have them in the same place here. Okay, so we don't need that here. Related products. Related products are good. I just feel like they are too close to each other with a you may also like. So let's plug in a section in between those. So we'll just add image with text just to give it more dynamic and nicer look. But I want it in between the not this one, but like this, guys. Okay, you see, guys, it just gives a little bit more dynamic feel to it. Okay, I'm just gonna click on save because we need to refresh the page. This is good. Okay, guys, this is looking better. For the image, let's just add a banner as well. So essentially the same thing like we have on the homepage, but I don't know, let's add the same guys right here. So just like that. Awesome. This is looking good. I feel like we can give a little bit of dynamic feel to our header. It feels a little bit static. So let's add announcement bar. Yep, announcement bar, this is good. And I feel like we should add it above, okay? And social icons, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. As an example, it's totally cool. So I want it to be sticky as well. So when I'm scrolling down, I get to see it alongside with my header. It's good for your conversion rates. I'm just gonna remove some padding because it's too much. Just I'll put some small like this. This is much better. And I click on save, guys. And I need to add some content for the announcement bar, guys. And to do that, announcement, and I need to add the message here. Free. I'll just add something like whatever. Welcome to our store. Welcome to our awesome store. Hey guys, just as an example, and you can even add a link if you want the message go somewhere, or when the customer clicks on the announcement bar for it to go somewhere. You can do that as well, guys. So this is looking good. What else, guys? I would love to add here. Oh, I forgot to add image, guys. How could I do that? How could I leave out the image, guys? So image banner, was this one? Oh, I failed again. Not that one. So image with text, that's the one. And for the image, I'll choose, I don't know, well, it does make sense to choose a guy on product page of a women's clothing, so I'll just choose you again. These guys are getting popular, guys, I'm telling you. So I'll do that, and we'll go to ChatGPT and ask for a copy. Okay, guys. So let me just take this and bring this to ChatGPT. Need a copy for this too, bro, and bring it in, guys. I'm being very friendly with ChatGPT, just in case it becomes sentient one day. So let me just hold up until it generates. So every day looks elevated. That works for me totally fine as a placeholder. So for that, for the image with text block, you can just go to the blocks under the image with text, and you're gonna bring it here, but the formatting is again coming from ChatGPT. You have to strip that down. So I'll remove that. And for the description, guys, I'll just take this and bring it here. And this looks about right, guys. So we are good to go for the image with text block, guys. Awesome, guys. So honestly, I'm pretty okay with the product page as a placeholder. So I mean, it looks pretty nice and clean. Well, we forgot the image here. Let's just add that so it looks nice and clean. Or actually we have, oh, I see, that's a image for mobile as a slideshow, right? So let me just go and fix that. Let me go and fix that. I guess now we should be good. Should be looking nice and clean. Let's see again. Yep, looks good, looks good. Hey guys, I mean, I can't say much. Looks pretty nice. Let's go and see our homepage. Awesome, guys. So now let's quickly cover the mandatory parts of Shopify as well before you are going to be launching your store. So we need to cover the policy pages. Okay, so to do that, you're going to go to settings, and you're going to go under the policies. I swear they are somewhere here. Yeah, the last one here, policies. And Shopify will generate the whole thing for you. Just click on the policy and click on insert template. And just don't forget to change your emails or the business address for each of the policies, because it's going to leave it as a placeholder. But for now, we'll just click on accept. So I'm here. You guys see right here. So insert business address, insert business phone number. So just make sure to change those ones right here. Okay, when you are auto generating with Shopify. In our case, we'll just click on confirm. Terms of, I think we just did it, right? Yeah. Shipping policy, we'll do the same thing. Insert, that is okay. So it looks like shipping policy we need to create ourselves. I don't want to do that. I'm just gonna ask create a placeholder shipping policy for Shopify fashion brand store. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. Again, guys, you're gonna tailor that. You can use ChatGPT. I'm just really going fast to really show you ins and outs of Shopify and how to build and design a store. But in your case, guys, make sure that the shipping policy is actually reflecting your actual shipping policy, guys, not a bogus information. So I'll just use the placeholders as an example, so we can add that to our store. So the policies are good to go, guys. Amazing. So it's important that we add those. Let's just make sure we have it in our footer. We don't have it in our footer, guys. Quick links. It's going to be then under the footer, and then we need to find the right block. Okay, it's not the right block. Menu. Okay, it's under main menu, guys. So to do that, to adjust your Shopify menus, it's going to be essentially under the content, okay, and then under the menus, okay, and the main menu would be here, okay. So the footer menu, I like that. That's what we need, I think. And we're gonna add also terms of use, and the link would be terms of conditions, terms of service. Okay, we're gonna save that, and also I need to add a policy, privacy policy. Was it? Yeah, privacy policy, policy. Am I making typos? Okay, I'm making typos. So under policies, but I was typing exactly the same thing, guys. Shopify, why you have to do me like that? Terms of privacy policy, and also we'll add shipping, right? So let's do shipping, guys. Shipping is Wow, Shopify, that's crazy. You're making me do all this legwork for no reason. Shipping policy and shipping policy, that's good. So let's save that and let's go back to Shopify and click on customize. Okay, that is good, guys. Doing really, really good here. And where did you put it? Okay, because you put it under footer menu. So we need to swap the main menu. We need to remove that and we need to put it to, yeah, there you go. Awesome, guys. Perfect. So here we are. Terms of privacy policy and shipping policy. Let's check if that is working. Yeah, it's working. We're not going to spend too much time on formatting. It's just really a placeholder for you to understand the mandatory fields for your Shopify store. Because if you don't add terms of use and privacy policy, if you guys starting adding, running Facebook ads and stuff like that, they're gonna reject your ads because without valid privacy policy, you cannot run any ads. Same goes for Google Ads or any other advertising platforms, guys. So mandatory, you need to have that. Okay, guys, and the next one will be to customize the checkout page. Since I didn't activate my Shopify payments, I don't have it, okay? But in your case, you're gonna go to this menu right here, and you're gonna select on checkout, guys, okay? And you're gonna have options to customize your checkout page. Shopify checkout page is very limited. They don't allow to customize it too much, but you can do the basics like the fonts, the logo, and the colors. That is the only customization Shopify allows to do on the checkout page. So that's why there's not really too much to discuss. All Shopify checkout pages are the same for security reasons. You can't really customize it too much. I believe there are some third-party apps that do integrate with Shopify checkout and do some, changes to its styling. But again, usually I don't suggest to play around with checkout page. Leave it as it is. Once you go on a more advanced level, there are upsell options like I believe. Let me refresh my memory. Yeah, so there's this Shopify app called Reconvert. So the way it works, you can essentially add it to your thank you page, okay, and you can offer a upsells on the thank you page, guys. Let me just show you quickly, guys, since I have this topic opened. So you kind of have an idea in your head of what you can be doing once you become more advanced Shopify user, guys. And if you want me to drop a course on upsells and how to convert customers after checkout, let me know. I'll drop a course on that as well, guys. But for now, so we're gonna go to a Shopify app store right here, okay, guys? And we're gonna search for, it's called Reconvert, okay? Reconvert, okay? And we're gonna preview the demo store because you can actually see the whole thing in real action. So guys, this is the Shopify checkout. As you can see, Reconvert does modify the checkout page slightly, right? With some offers, you can do some upsell bundles directly on the checkout related to the customer's order. So let's just type in these bogus information so we can see how it looks like. So 1229, 111, and then we're gonna make a fake payment, for example. Hey guys, look at this magic. You're gonna have a post-purchase page, guys, where after customer places an order, they can buy more stuff related to their order, plus the discount, guys. This is pure magic, and it definitely increases your conversion rates for your e-commerce, guys. So once you are more comfortable, just remember the name. It's called Reconvert, Reconvert Upsells, and essentially it improves your checkout flow and scales your post-purchase conversion funnel, guys, in a sense. And again, guys, if I'm speaking in a different language, don't worry, just let me know in the comments if you want me to drop a dedicated course on upsells and on the checkout funnel, how to scale it and how to improve it and how to build that. Let me know and I'll drop a course on that as well for free. Okay, guys, next up, just a couple of more things before we wrap up, guys. We can also add a blog post, okay? So I don't think we covered how to do that, so let's do that quickly. So if you wanna add blog posts on your Shopify store, okay? All you gotta do you're just gonna go under the content and then blog posts, guys, and you're gonna create a brand new blog post right here. So create a blog post. Okay, we'll ask ChatGPT to create a placeholder. Guys, I'm making crazy typos, but it's okay. I've been here talking to you guys for 2 hours straight. Yeah. So create a placeholder for a create a placeholder blog post for this brand. I need title and content max. Okay, whatever. We're just gonna let it do its own thing. So while it's doing that, I'll just add any image as a placeholder. For example, this one, we'll add it here. Make sure it's visible. Otherwise, you're not gonna be able to see it on your Shopify store. This is good. So the title is good to go. The dress kind of aligns with the picture. Perfect. And content is going to be this right here. So we'll just copy paste this entire thing and bring it to content for the blog and just save. Obviously, when you're building a content, it's going to be much bigger. You're going to add pictures and it's going to be SEO optimized, guys. And if you want to write blogs that are actually SEO optimized using AI, guys, I do highly suggest two tools. There's one tool called SEO.ai. It's a full SEO powerhouse, meaning it writes the blog post for you using AI. Okay, it tells you which keywords to use. It tells you how well your Shopify is doing in terms of SEO. So it's a 360 solution for SEO and your Shopify store. So guys, go check it out. It's SEO.ai. It's also going to be included on the last slide, I believe, for my suggestions for the SEO tools, for the AI tools you should be using for your Shopify store, guys. And the other one is SEO writing.ai, guys. So this tool essentially lets you write blog posts, guys. Okay, so you enter the keyword, you enter the article size and all that stuff, and it's going to generate a either medium size, large size blog post that is fully ready for search results. Okay, guys, it's going to pull the data live from the Google, making sure that the blog post is structured in a way that user is searching for questions. Okay, because the Google ranks your blog posts on these factors, how helpful it is to the user that is looking to have this question answered. Okay, so if I'm searching for where to buy men's hoodie, okay, obviously you're gonna have like Zara and all those huge players, but again, guys, you can still compete with that. Maybe not on the page number one, but if your blog post is well structured and well, the keywords are well structured in the blog post, and if you keep consistently creating good value blog posts with good content that actually answer customers' questions in a value-packed way, you guys going to be seeing great SEO results, guys. And if you want help with your SEO for your Shopify store and how to write SEO blog posts, drop a comment. I'll create a dedicated course. And I do believe I already have one SEO course for Shopify on our Debutify YouTube channel. So just go to YouTube. Well, you're already watching on YouTube, guys. So just go to our channel just below, click on Debutify AI, and look for the, I believe, the one of the latest video posts. Okay, there is one topic on SEO for your Shopify store, guys. So guys, go check it out. You're gonna learn a thing or two, or if it wasn't clear enough, or you need different type of content, let me know. I'll create it for you guys. Okay, so we have our blog post pretty much set up. Let's go and link that in our Debutify theme customizer. So we're gonna go back to Shopify, click on customize. So guys, while I'm talking here for 2 hours straight, my allergies are absolutely killing me. I'm allergic to all the trees and stuff that's opening up here in Canada in the spring season, guys. So excuse me for that if I might sound like I'm about to cry, guys, but no, it's not the case. I'm not getting emotional. I'm just having my allergies, guys. Anyways, let's go back to blog post, guys. So to do that, we need to add that into our menu. Okay, we're gonna go back to content and we're gonna go to menus and we're gonna add it under the main menu, guys. Okay, and right here, yep, and we should find a blog. I believe we should have blogs. Yeah, there go blogs. we might have forgotten to give it a category, so it's not going to be found. Okay, it got categorized under news. That works fine. So menu, main menu. Okay, Shopify, come on, you can do it. You can do it faster. Come on, you can do it. You can. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, add menu under blog post. Okay, cool. Well, actually, I'll do blogs and news, okay, guys, and I'll do blogs or blog, whatever, and I'll click click save. Okay, and I'm gonna go to online store again and customize, and I should see it in the main navigation right here, and I don't see it. Why I don't see it? Let's double check what's the problem. So header is main menu. Okay. Sometimes you need to essentially remove and add it back. It's a Shopify cache thing. Main menu, and yeah, it's right here, guys. Awesome. So it's just a cache thing that happened. So if you don't see something right away, either you forgot to set it as visible in visibility, or you just need to remove it and re-add it and refresh, guys. Shopify thing. Don't ask me why. So we have the box. Let's go check it out. And our blog is here, guys. Amazing. We have our first blog post, guys. Congrats, guys. You're doing amazing. Awesome. So our Shopify store is looking pretty good. We covered the basics of creating a homepage layout from scratch, the sections and the blocks, product pages, the policies, pretty much Shopify essentials. We covered, I believe, everything, guys. And the last note, if you guys will be offering your product Shopify store, you're going to be running it internationally. It's a good idea to add translation apps. And one I'm suggesting highly is actually from Shopify. It's 100% free. It's called Translate and Adapt, guys. So just go again to add apps right here. You're going to click on, it might be even suggesting here. It's not, guys. Okay, never mind. So we're going to go to Shopify App Store. Okay. And we're gonna type in translate and adapt. Okay, Shopify translate adapt, and you're gonna install the app. Hey guys, it's gonna essentially translate your store automatically in different languages for you, and it's free, guys. It's crazy. A whole translation app from Shopify for free, so you can sell internationally in different languages, guys. Doesn't get better than that, guys. So go ahead and grab that free app. And again, guys, I'm gonna be suggesting a lot of different AI tools that I personally recommend for you as a Shopify merchant to automate and make things easier for you so you can focus on building and scaling that business to growing that baby, guys, instead of focusing on redundant and automated tasks. So we leave all the boring and automated stuff to AIs, guys. Let them handle that. Let them work 24/7. We don't care. So I compiled a whole list of AI tools for you guys from a personal suggestion box. It's on the last slide, I believe, under the AI tools, guys. So again, go grab that guide in the video description below for free. And yeah, check out those AI tools, guys, and let me know if there were any of use to you guys. If not, let me know, guys, and let me know that the AI tools sucked so I can offer you better AI tools next time, guys. All right. Okay, guys, and the last missing piece for your Shopify store to be live and be seen by customers is you have to remove the password, guys. As you can see, you probably see the same message on your end. Your online store is protected by password, guys. Sad, but easily fixable. So all you gotta do, you're gonna click on manage password, okay? And you're gonna remove this bad boy right here, okay? I'm just gonna copy paste because I wanna bring it back. And you're gonna click on save. And now, enable, hold on, guys. I don't want a password, guys. Let me just check. Oh, I see, guys. I can't remove the password because I didn't choose the plan, guys. But in your case, if you did select the $1 for 3 months offer and you subscribed for the promo offer, essentially this is where you would be removing the password from the preferences, and you're gonna just simply remove it right here on the right side. You can't really see it, it's kind of grayed out, but it's gonna be in that corner right there, guys. But you first need to subscribe to that trial plan, guys, offer, guys, and you're gonna be able to remove the password. And once that is done, guys, your Shopify store is officially live. Guys, congrats. 2 hours later, you have a up and running, fully customizable Shopify Shopify, fashion brand, whatever you guys chose to do alongside with me. It's online and up and running, guys. And it's fully AI based, guys. We did so much stuff with AI. It's crazy, guys. We need to give huge credit to ChatGPT for being our AI sidekick today, guys. So shout out to ChatGPT again, guys. I know we covered a lot of things here, okay? And it might have been complicated or difficult for some of you guys if you've never done anything like before, or if you haven't worked with ChatGPT or other AI tools, guys. It's okay, guys. I'm super open. Just let me know in the comments what you didn't understand, what questions you have, or again, download the entire slides for free, guys. It's a reference slide for what we covered. Okay. On the slide number 1, there's my personal email, guys. Shoot me an email. Let me know what you need help with. Okay, guys, I'm gonna personally help you with building your first Shopify store if you need help with that or choosing the right AI tools for your business niche, guys. Anything, guys, anything, any go, let me know, and I'm gonna help you out, guys. And again, guys, huge, enormous thank you for watching this long video, guys. If you did enjoy the content, if you want to see more Shopify content of me building different stores, or maybe if you have a suggestion about different niche, or how to build a pet store niche, or like any niche, guys, like let me know in the comments and I'll build it out for you guys. And again, thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and thank you again.